Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now, since we've already gone through the process of rotating a point by hand and through an app, now we're going to go through the process of rotating a shape by hand. We also rotated a shape by an app, but I want to do it by hand now. Again, the origin, which is at 0, 0, is highlighted and denoted by a yellow point, and our shape, which is a triangle, is denoted by 3 points. The reason why I did not connect the dots here is because I want you guys to still see this as points and not necessarily a shape. We've already done points, so this, by making it be points and then connecting the dots after the rotation, it will make things a little bit easier. And so our points here are 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 1. So you see it here. We have 1, 1 at 1, 1, 1 point at 2, 3, and 1 point at 3, 1. And so if I want to rotate those at 90 degrees in a clockwise direction about the origin, it means I want to rotate this shape this direction and put it in the fourth quadrant, right? So if I start with 1, 1, if I put it in the fourth quadrant, that means my y and my x values have changed places. In the fourth quadrant, my y is negative, so that means this value must be negative. So if I do the math first, both of these are 1, so we know we're both going to have 1s. This value has to be negative, so we're going to make this negative. These values need to switch places, so I'm going to have a 3 here and a 2 here. Again, this value is negative, and 1 and 3 will switch places. And again, this value is negative. So without even looking at the shape mentioning above, I'm going to sit here and put it here. So we have 1, negative 1. So we have a point here at 1, negative 1. 3, negative 2. So we're going to go to 3, negative 2. And then we have a 1, negative 3. 1, negative 3. So if we look at the picture, and now if we connect the dots, we connect the dots on our shape. We see we have a triangle that's standing in a vertical position. Now if we rotate it at 90 degrees in a clockwise direction, our triangle now looks like it's in a horizontal rotation or horizontal position. And so this is what I mean by connect the dots after. And so we rotated across the point this way. We found out what is that equation of rotation. Well, that equation of rotation at 90 degrees clockwise will be y negative x. So it changes all of these values through this equation. And it now looks like this figure in shape has rotated about the origin because we started here and now we went to a better position or a different position about the rotation. So you guys will be given equations when you guys have to execute these. And sometimes you should know the equations because you derive them by going through several examples. But this is how you rotate a shape at 90 degree clockwise.